Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you having trouble with spoken directions on your iPhone? Let's figure it out and get your navigation talking again. Here's what you do. First, ensure the volume is turned up. Use the side volume button to increase the volume and make sure your phone isn't on silent mode. The next step is to check your navigation app setting. If you are using Apple Maps, open the map, then start a route and switch up the menu. Ensure voice direction is enabled. But if you are using the Google Maps, go to your settings, then you go to navigation settings and ensure the unmounted option is selected. You can always use the search bar to get to your navigation settings. Now, you ensure the settings are accurate with the language, with the show notification. Go through all the settings and ensure it's done according to your preference. The next step is to turn off your Bluetooth. If connected to a Bluetooth device, spoken direction might be routed there. Turn off your Bluetooth in the control center, or you head over to your settings, then Bluetooth to turn it off. The next step is to update your navigation app. Ensure your map app is updated by checking the App Store for any pending updates. The next step is to check your Siri and search settings. Go to your settings and head over to your Siri and search. Next, you ensure the voice feedback is set to always speak response. Select the Siri responses and choose automatic, or you can choose prefer spoken responses. Next, you restart your iPhone. Turn your iPhone off, then you wait a few seconds, then power it back on. Next step is to update your iOS. Go to the Settings app, then you go to General. Then you go to Software Update and install any available updates. You can also reinstall the app. If using a third-party navigation app, uninstall and reinstall it to clear any bugs. And there you have it, guys. Ways to fix your spoken direction on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.